Oh, man. Well, one day I want this to go quick and smoothly. Someone's visiting. That's unfortunate. Alright, red? Not red. Ooh. That is more unfortunate. Please be someone here then. Please. Oh my gosh, it's kicked. Okay. I was kind of thinking it was going to be kicks. I had a feeling. So I can get double disappointment back-to-back days. Ain't that exciting? Okay, nothing in the bin. Wow, this is such a privilege. I'm looking forward to seeing what happens here. Okay. So, no to any of the socks. No. Oh, that's lovely. Thank you. Typical. Can I just get the stuff already? Please? Really like that, thank you. Alright, guessing game time. It's Chops! The pig. I know him. Alright, let's Flood of Hearts and get this over with. My double dose of disappointment, he says, before Sahara has all 3 remaining items. Imagine, I would scream. Alright, let's see if we have any luck here. Oh my goodness! Ah! Ah! Okay. Actually getting something new from Sahara. Cracked. Insanity. All the floors in the game. Alright, let's buy another one. I'm excited. Let's buy another one. Another one. Okay, that's great, actually. I'm happy with that. That means we need 8 and 8. That's easy. 8 for both things. Also, I've seen these gray shelving walls so many times lately, it's bothering me. But nothing else there. So there we go. 2 things left from Sahara, 6 from Kicks, and then 8 from the bin. I'm happy with that. That's actually pretty nice. So I'm gonna go bup, and this I'll put away eventually to clean this, but I'll just lock those in now, and I'll get out of here. So there you go, your 4-minute Tuesday stream. I got something new from Harvest. That's actually insane. Hasn't happened on my island in quite some time, so I'm happy with that. I'll be on probably earlier tomorrow, and we'll take it from there. But see you around, and woo, circus!